Hi, so this video we will be discussing about the composition of functions, or also known as the composite functions. So let us know first what is the meaning of composition of function. So it is another way to combine two functions to create a new function, and then in the composition of function we substitute the entire function into another function. So the way of doing it, so let us have our first example here. So in here, find the composition of f of g of x and g of f of x. So as you can see dito sa first term natin, nauuna yung f natin, and then G yung kasunod. The other one, nauna yung G, and then nauuna naman yung, pangalawa yung F natin. So, it means na pwedeng magka-interchange yung F of G of X, and then G of F of X. So, remember na kung ano yung mauuna, yun din yung uunahin natin mamaya kung paano natin siya gagawin. Okay? So, in here, meron tayong F of X is equals to 5x minus 3. And then, yung value ng g of x natin is 3 minus 2x. So, if, ito muna yung hanapin natin, f of g of x. So, if we write this one, we have f of g of x. And then, we can also rewrite this one as f of g of x. Okay? So, as you can see here, always remember kung ano yung nasa first term natin. So, I mean yung first na nasa parenthesis natin. So, we have here the g of x. Then, we have f here. It means, substitute lang natin yung g of x dito. So, if we write f, substitute natin yung g of x. Yung value ng g of x natin is this one. 3 minus 2x. So, lagay lang natin siya. 3 minus 2x. Then after that, we can also represent this one as f of x, which means the value of x will be this one, yung nasa parenthesis natin. Okay? So kapag sinubstitute natin yung x, ito yung isa-substitute natin instead na x lang. So pag tinignan mo to, this is f of x. Okay? Kung hanapin natin f of x natin, which is this one, right lang natin muna siya. So, we have f of x is equals to 5x minus 3. Since yung value ng x natin dito is 3 minus 2x, as you can see here, we have x here is equals to 3 minus 2x. Substitute natin yung 3 minus 2x sa value ng x natin dito. Okay? Yung x natin, i-insert lang natin 3 minus 2x. So, gagawin natin, we have 5. I-write lang natin yung 5. Then, write natin yung 3 minus 2x. Close parenthesis. Then, meron pa tayong minus 3 dito. Huwag kakalimutan. Minus 3. Okay? Then, after that, ang gagawin natin is simplify natin. So, we have, since sa loob ng parenthesis, we can combine these two dahil meron siyang coefficient dito. So, i-multiply na natin siya, or the rainbow method. So, 5 times 3 is equals to 15. Then, 5 times negative 2x, this is equivalent to negative 10x. Then, bring down yung natin yung negative 3. Then, after that, write lang natin siya. Unahin natin yung may mga coefficient. So, negative 10x. Then, we have 15 minus 3. That is equivalent to 12. So, this will be our f of g of x. This is the new function that we have created. Okay? So, let us have or find the g of f of x. So, if we write this one, dito na tayo sa pangalawa, we will find g of f of x. So, kung makikita nyo dito, nauna yung g natin. So, unahin natin siya. G of f of x. Rewrite lang natin siya. So, as you can see here, this is f of x. Substitute natin yung value ng f of x dito. So, pag hinanap mo yan, yung f of x natin is this one. Ito yung f of x natin. Okay? So, rewrite lang natin siya. Rewrite muna natin yung g. And then, yung value ng f of x natin is 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. Okay? So, if you look at this one, this is also equals to g of x. Okay? So, yung value ng x natin will be this one na naka-parenthesis. 5x minus 3. This one. Okay? So, isulat natin. Kung makikita ninyo, this is g of x. So, pag tinignan natin, g of x natin is 3 minus 2x. So, rewrite muna natin. 3 minus 2x. Okay? So, since yung x natin sa g of x is 5x minus 3, isa-substitute lang natin siya sa value ng x natin dito. Okay? So, let's substitute. So, bring down 3 minus 2. Yung value ng x natin will be 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. Close parenthesis. Okay? So, as you can see here, 3 minus 2 multiply by 5x minus 3. So, ang uunahin natin, always remember the PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, ang unahin natin will be this one. Substitute natin or distribute natin yung 2 dito sa parenthesis natin na 5x minus 3. Huwag mo nang gagalawin to. Okay? So, bring down 3 muna tayo. And then, negative times positive. This is negative. 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Then, x. And after that, negative, negative. This will be positive. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. After that, arrange lang natin sila. So, if we do this, so we have negative 10x plus 6 plus 3. Since pareho sila ng sign, addition. So, we have negative 10x plus 9. So, this will be the function g of f of x. Okay? So, we can have the function negative 10x plus 9 if we combine g of f of x. So, as you can see, always remember, kung ano yung nauuna dito, it is very important kung ano yung nauuna nating value para alam natin kung ano yung i-input natin, no? So, huwag kayong magpapalito dyan. Okay, let us have another example. So, in here, we have f of x is equals to x plus 1. Then, the g of x is equals to x squared minus x minus 2. Then, sabi niya dito, find g of f of 2. So, as you can see here, may numerical value na yung x natin dito. Okay? So, if you see a numerical value, wag kayong matataranta. So, ang gagawin muna natin, hanapin muna natin g of f of x. Then, after that, pag nakuha na natin yung function, isa-substitute lang natin yung 2. Okay? So, let us try this one. So, ang hinahanap is g of f of 2. So, remember, this is also equals to x. Gagawin natin, hindi muna natin gagamitin yung 2, x muna yung gagamitin natin para hindi kayo malito. So, we have g of f of x. If we rewrite this one, this is equivalent to g of f of x. Okay? So, here, we have f of x. Substitute lang natin yan. So, bring down g. Yung f of x natin is equivalent to x plus 1, which is this one. X plus 1. Okay? Then, after that, if you are looking closely to this one, this is equivalent to g of x. Okay? Where the value of x will be this one. Yung equation na natin. I mean, yung function na x plus 1. Okay? Then after that, if we do that, titingnan nyo to, g of x will be x squared minus x minus 2. Substitute lang natin yan. So, the g of x is equals to x squared minus x minus 2. So, ang gagawin natin, lahat ng values ng x, substitute lang natin yung nakuha natin na x plus 1. Okay? May x tayo dito, may x. Is-substitute natin by x plus 1. So, if we write that, we have open parenthesis x plus 1, then squared, minus x plus 1, may x tayo dito, x plus 1, then bring down minus 2. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yun. Okay? So, uunahin muna natin to. If we try to expand this one, this is also x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay? So, distribute that one. We have x squared. X times 1, we have x plus x. Then, plus x. Then 1 times 1. So, we have plus 1. Combine like terms, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay? So, write natin dito. Burahin ko na to. Okay. So, rewrite na lang natin. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Burahin na natin itong mga to para hindi kayo nalilito. You can just come back or pwede nyo namang i-replay yung video para makita nyo kung paano kinuha to. Okay. Then after that, ito naman. So, distribute lang natin negative sign. Negative times positive, this is negative x. Negative times positive, this is negative 1. Then, bring down natin yung 2, minus 2. Then, combine like terms. So, unahin natin yung may exponent muna. We have x squared. So, this is done. Then, 2x and then x. So, positive, negative. Ang operation natin is subtraction. So, 2x minus x, this is equivalent to positive x. Copy the sign of the larger number. And after that, positive 1, negative 1, cancel natin. Positive, negative, subtraction. So, mawawala na siya. Then, bring down na lang natin si negative 2. So, this will be the function g of f of x. So, sabi natin kanina, g of f of 2. So, ang gagawin natin, since nakuha na natin yung function natin, which is x squared plus x minus 2, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x natin, which is 2. So, if we do this, we have g of 2x, g of f of 2. Substitute lang natin yung 2 sa lahat ng values ng x. So, we have 2 squared plus 2 minus 2. Okay? Bring down lang natin yun. 2 squared is equals to 4 plus 2 minus 2. So, this one, cancelled out na. Then, ang matitira na lang is g of f of 2 is equals to 4. So this will be our final answer now. Okay? So let us have another example. So for this one, so we have f of x is equals to 3x minus 5, then g of x is equals to x squared plus 2. Ang hinahanap niya dito, f of g of 2, and then g of f of negative 1. So ang gagawin natin, the same. Huwag muna nating kuhanin yung value ng 2 para hindi tayo nalilito. Disregard muna natin yan. And let us have this one as the value of x. And also this one, no? Value of x muna yung gamitin natin. Hanapin muna natin yung composition of function. Then after that, substitute natin yung nakuha natin. So, here, f of g. So, if you are looking for f of g of x, this is equivalent to f of, so this is f of g of x. Okay? So, kung napansin niyo, nauna yung f dito, that's why nauna din siya dito, no? Always remember that. So, as you can see here, this is g of x. So, bring down f. The value of g of x is x squared plus 2. Okay? So, this is f of x. Okay? This is the value of x now. Okay? So, f of x, which is this one. Okay, So, f of x natin is this one. So, ito yung gagamitin natin muna. So, we have f of x as 3x minus 5. Okay? Since yan yung f of x natin, lahat ng values ng x dito, isa-substitute natin yung x squared plus 2. Okay? So, yan na yung value ng x natin. So, if we try to do that, we have 3, we have x squared plus 2. Then, wag niyong kakalimutan si minus 5. And after that, distribute this one. Okay? So, we have positive times positive. We have positive 3 times 1. We have 3. Then, x squared. Positive, positive. We have positive. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then, bring down negative 5. Now, combine like terms. So, bring down 3x squared since wala tayong gagawin sa kanya. Positive, negative, that is subtraction. So, 6 minus 5 is equals to positive 1. Okay? So, this is now f of g of x. So, ang kailangan natin is f of g of 2. So, if we do this, we have f of g of 2. Substitute lang natin yung 2 sa lahat ng values ng x. So, we have 3, we have 2 squared plus 1. Okay? Then, after that, we have 3. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 1. So, 3 times 4 is equals to 12 plus 1. This is equivalent to f of g of 2 is equals to 13. So, 13 ngayon yung value ng f of g of x. So, this will be your answer now. So, let us have g of f of negative 1. Okay. So, let us have this one. G of f of negative 1. So, hanapin muna natin, this is the value of x, yung negative 1 natin. X muna yung gagamitin natin. So, we have g of f of x. This is equivalent also to g of f of x. Okay? So, this is f of x. Copy lang natin yung g. Yung f of x natin is equals to 3x minus 5. Okay? So this is also g of x. So if we try to do that, the g of x is this one, x squared plus 2. So we have x squared plus 2. So this is x now. Yung value ng x natin ngayon is 3x minus 5. So lahat ng x natin dito, isa-substitute natin ng 3x minus 5. So x, we have 3x minus 5 squared, huwag niyong kakalimutan, plus 2. So kapag ka-in-expand natin yan, we have 3x minus 5 and we have 3x minus 5. Rainbow method or the FOIL method. So if we do that, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. X times x is equals to x squared. 3 times negative 5, we have negative 15x. Then we have this one, negative 15x. Then negative positive, 5 times 5 is equals to 25. Combine like terms. So we have 9x squared. We can combine this one. Then copy their both sign. 15 plus 15 is equals to 30x. Okay? Plus 25. Okay. So 3x squared, 3x minus 5 squared is equals to 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. Erase ko lang to para hindi tayo malito. You can always come back to the video kung paano siya nakuha. Okay. So write lang natin. We have 9. Kurong natin siya dito. We have 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. Okay? Then, wag kakalimutan yung plus 2. Okay. Then, combine like terms. So, in here, 25 plus 2 is equals to 27. So, rewrite lang natin siya. 9x squared minus 30x plus 27. So, this is now this is now g of f of x. But ang hinahanap natin, sandali lang. Pero ang hinahanap natin is g of f. Pareho lang yan, no? So, nire-write ko lang siya dito sa kabila kasi hindi siya kasya dito. So, basta't may equal sign kahit magkabaliktad yan. So, we have g of f of negative 1 yung hinahanap natin. So, since meron na tayong g of f of x, which is this one, 9x squared minus 30x plus 27, substitute lang natin yung negative 1 sa lahat ng values ng x. So, we have 9. We have negative 1 squared minus 30. Yung value ng x ulit natin, negative 1. Then, plus 27. Okay? So, if we try to do that, simplify lang natin. So, bring down 9. Negative times negative is equals to positive 1. Then, negative, this will become positive. 30 times 1 is equals to 30. Then, we have plus 27. Okay? Then, 9 times 1 is equals to 9 plus 30 plus 27. So, 9 plus 30 plus 27, that is equivalent to 66. Okay? So, 66. So, 66 now will be g of f of negative 1 is equals to 66. So, this will be our answer. Okay? So, always remember na kapag ka may numerical coefficient or may value ng x natin dito, kunin mo na yung composition of function, then substitute na lang natin yung 2 natin para hindi tayo nalilito. Okay, so for your assignment, you do this one, then we will check it in our next meeting. So that would be all for this video, and have a great day.